Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is a Modelones order today. So I ordered the bigger Christmas surprise lucky dip thing. So I thought I would come on and show you the stuff that came in it. So let me just get some of this stuff out. You can still buy them at the moment. I have actually got another one on the way. Because I actually thought these were actually really good value for money. So I have still got one more coming. But I thought I would quickly come on and show you what I got in mine. So first off, I got some of these nail art brushes, which are the different ones that you can use. I may put these into a giveaway because you've got a gradient one in there. They've got all different kind of like tops on them, so you can do all different sort of like flowers and patterns and that. I'm trying to get them all level. So yeah, so you get a pack of these, which you can do some really cool designs with, or you can do some freehand flowers. So I got that, and they are pink and they're quite long, so I do already have a set of them. I also got some essential oil. So I got peppermint, and this is how it comes. It comes in a bottle like this, and this is glass. It's like a matte effect glass. And obviously they are the details on the back. And it's peppermint flavour. And then you can just take the lid off, and then that is what the inside bit looks like. So I got one of them in mine. I'm so sorry if you can hear my mum in the background. I don't know what she's doing. I'm really sorry if you can. I also got two of the solid painting nail gels. So I got 002, which is the white. So these are really, really good because they don't spill or anything. So I got number 2 and I got number 12. Number 12 is the gorgeous gold one. So I got them as well. Let me just try and line it all up. And I also got one of the wooden topped gel polishes. So this is a cat eye. So let's have a look at the colour of this. I will swatch this. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, that is stunning. Oh wow, that is so pretty. So yeah, I also got that. I also got a mini lamp. So I got the mini lamp comes with your tiny cable as well. I love these little lamps. So I got like a pinky kind of colour. So that's really, really cool. So I've got a little lamp as well. I also got some of these, which are metal like metal nail decoration things. So sorry about the noise. Trying to get it out. So I got a little pot of these, and these have got they look like they've got love, and they've got some stars. They got Christmas present, wreath, Father Christmas and that lot in there. So it's a nice little mix in there. I know it's just gone Christmas, but still, get ready for next year. I also got a wheel of their these things, and these are so pretty. Really, really pretty. Look at them. They are so pretty. I love these flowers. They're really, really pretty. And they are they're really, really pretty. So, yep, I got them in my one. So that is what they look like. I'll just quickly whiz it round just so you can have a look. So you can still buy them at the moment. So yeah, I would definitely go over and get some. So that is the wheel that I got. I also got some of their glitter polygel. So this is Glitter Princess. So I was like really shocked when I got this, because I wasn't sure if I ordered it or not, but I didn't. I ordered some other bits. So this is a glittery one, and I will swatch this at a later date. I'm not going to swatch it today. So that is what that one looks like. So it's a really pretty glittery one. Super pretty, and it goes back in. So yeah, that's what that one looks like. So I can't wait to swatch that. And that is 30 grams. So not bad at all. You get polygel in, well, I did in my one anyway. And I also got the Models one dip powder kit. So it comes in this really nice little bag. So real nice presentation. So you get one of their brushes, which has got the little diamantes in it, and it's super, super soft. You also get a set of their, hang on one second, sorry about that. You also get in that kit, you also get their 3 dip liquids. So you get base, activator, and the gel top coat. So that's not bad. And you get quite a few colours. So you get this one. I'm assuming one of these must be clear. So you get this one here. And these are all 10 grams. You get this one. I wonder if I can pick it up. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Let me see if I can open it without like spilling it everywhere. Because I did have a peek at this. So this is what this one looks like. So it is really, really pretty, real pretty and sparkly, very, very nice. So yeah, got that one in there. Also got this one. Got glitter everywhere now. I don't know what colour it is until I swatch it, but I'm assuming that could be a white, to be honest. And 3 other colours. So this one, which is like a pinky kind of colour. It's coming across a bit more nude. Let me just open it quickly. I just thought I would come on and just show you. So that is that one there. It is pink, but it's coming across a bit more paler. So there is that one there. Also this one, which is like a much more darker nudie kind of colour. I don't want this video to be too long. It's getting a little bit too long. So that is the colour of that one. Very nice colour. And then the last colour in this set is this one. And this is a glittery one. Let me just open it quickly, just to quickly show you. So that is what that one looks like. So it's really pretty. Very pretty. I may swatch them. I'm not too sure, because I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with them. If I get, because obviously, as I said, I got, I went over and I brought another one. So if I get another dip kit, it will go in a future giveaway. You also get 2 spare brushes, which is really handy. And then you just have your instructions in there. So yeah, I am like super happy with this. I think it is well worth the money. I really do. So if you haven't bought one and you'd like to buy one, I think you best go over and buy it as soon as possible, because I don't know how long they're going to be available for. I know they are still available at the moment. So yeah, I'm like really happy with everything that I got. Obviously it is like a surprise lucky bag, so what I got in mine does not necessarily mean that's what you're going to get in yours, but judging by, you know, how much I got, I think it's definitely worth the money. So yeah, I thought I would just quickly come on and show you. So I will show you the next ones that come, and yeah, we'll go through them and see what we got. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this quickish video. I just thought I would show you. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Let me know down below what you think. Well, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.